Alright guys, I'm just gonna make this video to go over the market sentiment and pretty much just everything about the market going into December. So first of all, SPY, I think we could catch a bounce in this area right here, like 453 to 455 around there. I posted about that in the market updates channel, and then QQQ. Let's go to lower time frame. This honestly looks pretty bad. I don't really like this at all, to be honest. We got like a head and shoulder right here. That doesn't look good at all, actually. And if we drop off below here, we don't really have a lot of volume area to hold us up. So I'd say target for QQQ, if we drop any lower, would be around here. Okay, so that's the charts. So from a sentiment point of view, the sentiment looks bullish, but it's really messed up right now because we keep getting like these fundamental changes in the economy and stuff like that, like the COVID news, the Moderna vaccine. So it's been really hard to play stuff like based on technicals or sentiment or anything like that, just because we literally have no clue what's happening. So for the sectors, basic materials, energy, financials, healthcare, industrials, mining, oil, RITs, and retail are close. And yeah, that's it. So a lot of these safe names are getting to the bullish area. I just read an article, and it was talking about financials, healthcare, and real estate all typically do really well in December. So I don't really want to play real estate just because I've never played it before, but financials and healthcare I'm going to look into. I was looking at financials earlier. All their charts look the same. So I don't know. It's going to be hard to play. But SPY obviously dropped to super bullish. This was just like impossible to play too because like usually you can predict when we're going to get down near here on a red day if we're hovering near. But when we're at like 50 something on the optics and we drop to like 9, that's hard to fucking play. So I'm not worried about missing out on that play. If we have another red day, I'll probably start averaging into some calls on a leverage ETF. Went over that. So what else? So yeah, the article I was reading, pull it up here. Okay, first of all, the risk levels of stocks. This is pretty like trustful website that I look at, Sentiment Trader. So stocks short term. This is the lowest I've actually ever seen the risks. So stock market has shown a strong tendency to advance between the end of Thanksgiving week, year end. Obviously, real estate, financials, healthcare. Maybe be short-term traders may be able to take advantage using ETFs. Okay, so they're just going over real estate, financials, and healthcare here. That doesn't really matter. And then I just want to show you guys this. This shows the sentiment by country. Yesterday, the United States was red hot. So this shit changed so fast. This is so volatile. I've never seen it really like this. So, yeah, it's just a different market right now that is going to be hard to play, especially swinging, unless we can catch like support and then another little red day. But I'm going to lay off tech just because the sentiment on technology doesn't look good. QQQ looks pretty bad too. SPY plays look good, and SPY sentiment looks good. If we can if we don't bounce up enough tomorrow, let's go to the futures. I think the futures were up. I bet they are. We sold off pretty hard today. Oh, yeah, they're pumping. So we literally wicked off that on the 4 hour. Jeez, we barely, dang, tapped that sound.